cards, and apparently one of them is either an illustration rare or a EX. But if there's ever packs, like if there's an error pack, then apparently there'll be more of either illustration rares or EXs. So let's go and see what we got. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we got Croagunk, Electros. So far, looks like a scam. A Kinkland. Ooh, we got an illustration rare. That's nice. I see another EX. Feral Seed. Roaring Moon EX. It's a cool card. I love this. Ooh, and this one. And nice. Nice. This is cool. Oh my god, we got a nice one. We got a Blastoise. Also, it's also nice that we actually got a evolution. Okay, I'm bringing up the binder. So let's go ahead and put Blastoise over here. We can put what else? Yeah, maybe this Team Rocket's Nidoking. Flip, 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 flip. Yeah, 2 more cards. Oh, this should be perfect for my. Oh, wait, my bad. Oh no! Ah! Okay, maybe we can put Croagunk over here and maybe Toxicroak right over here. And then the next one, yeah, and the 3 other cards. We can, no, let's just not put that yet. We'll just put this Electros over here. This Feral, ouch. Oh, I can't do it. Yeah, maybe this Feral Seed over here. And maybe this one over here. And also we have the last one, which is, we have the last one, which goes all the way over here, probably. If you guys want to take it out of sleeve, sure. Look at this. Let's put it back in the sleeve. Okay, if you want to take a quick sneak peek to see your binder. Then this. Then this. These cards, these cards, these cards. Yeah, 2 new cards over here. 3 more new cards. No, I'm sorry, not that one. Like there are 3 other new cards. We got some more here. Oh, this one's like that. We got some cool cards here too. We got like Japanese cards too. Yeah, we got a Roaring Moon. Also, we got our traders in the back. Yep, that's it. See ya!